To find who the shooter was, we had a list of items to solve for, and the first thing we needed to solve for was the horizontal distance of the bullet. And to find that, we knew that from the school to the house, the distance was 148.5 meters, and we added 5.4 meters, which was the distance from the bottom of the third floor window to where the shooter was, to get 153.9 meters. We knew that the type of gun used was a Luger because the diameter of the bullet was 9 millimeters. The speed of the bullet was 182.88 meters per second. We needed to find the time it took the bullet to hit, and we used this equation to solve for it. We plugged in our final position, our initial velocity. We need to solve for time, and half times our acceleration by our time squared. And 153.9 is equal to 0 plus 182.88 multiplied by time. And we divided 182.88 into 153.9 to get 0.84 seconds as our time. We then need to find the vertical distance, and to find that we use the same equation, only plugging in our vertical variables, and we are left with 0 plus 0 times 0.84 plus half of negative 9.8 times 0.84 squared, which is equal to negative 4.9 times 0.7056, and our vertical distance is negative 3.46 meters. We then need to find the height of the bullet in which it struck, and to find that we use a picture and then a reference of 1.8 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. From the ground to where the bullet hit was 8.7 centimeters, and we converted that into meters. So we divide 8.7 by 1.8 to get 4.83 meters. We then need to solve for the height in which the bullet was shot to the ground. And to find that, we used this diagram. We knew the height of where the bullet struck was 4.83 meters, and we knew the vertical distance was 3.46 meters. So we add that to get 8.29 meters as the height in which the bullet was shot to the ground. We then need to find the height from the bottom of the third window to the school ground, and we got 7.7 meters using the same picture with a different reference of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, so that gives us 7.7 meters. And then we need to find the height of the bottom third window to the floor. I measured it to be 80 centimeters, and I converted that into meters, giving me 0.8 meters. Lastly, we need to find the height of the gun to the floor, and I got 1.39 meters because using the same diagram, we need to find the distance of this gap here, and to find that we subtract 8.29 by 7.7 to get 0.59, and we add that to the distance from the bottom of the third floor window to the floor, and to get 1.39 meters as the height. And we convert meters into inches, and we get 54.72 inches, and we convert that into feet to get 4.56 feet as the shoulder height. And this means the shooter was not a tall person, so the shooter was Mr. Troncoso.